Find yourself in a comfortable seated position with your spine upright. Take a deep breath in and let it out. And take another breath in and release. Feel yourself becoming more present. Bring yourself and your focus into the here and now. Letting go of any tension, any worry, any concerns outside of the present moment. Know that the earth is holding you. And as you feel the earth holding you, feel into the base of your spine, into your root chakra, the Muladhara chakra, and see it filled with the color red, with the energy of grounding, of stability, of roots, of home. Fill up this chakra with a vibrant red color until it spills over and reaches your second chakra. Let it fill the second chakra with the color of orange. Fill it up with the energy of pleasure, of passion, of creativity and sexual expression, of place, of family, of belonging. Fill it up with vibrant orange, expanding it out and up until it touches your third chakra, the Manipura chakra. Filled with the color yellow. This is the chakra of personal power, of will. Feel yourself standing firmly in your power and let it expand out and fill up your third chakra in vibrant orange until it reaches up and connects into your heart chakra, the Anahata chakra. Fill up your heart with the vibrant color green, with the energy of compassion, of love, of gratitude, of heart knowing. Let it fill your whole chest with love until it expands up and reaches up all the way to your throat. And as it reaches your throat, fill your throat with the color blue, with the energy of creative self-expression, of communication, and of speaking your truth. And as you fill up the throat chakra with this vibrant blue color, let it rise in you until it touches your Ajna chakra, your third eye. And fill your third eye with the color of indigo. This is the point of insight, of wisdom, of awareness and vision. Fill up your chakra now with these qualities and with the color of indigo. And let this chakra shine out and shine forth until it reaches all the way to your crown chakra. Fill your crown chakra with the color violet and the energy of divine connection, the connection to the cosmos, to source, to infinite energy and oneness. Stand tall, feeling the energy of your chakras, strong, clear, and vibrant, filled with and radiating out your own energy